Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest tools for all your project needs. Today, we have something special in store for you. We're diving into the world of miter saws but with a twist. We've handpicked the top 5 miter saws that will take your cutting game to the next level. From compact and portable options to heavy-duty powerhouses, we've got you covered. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Metabo HPT Compound Miter Saw. This miter saw is a versatile tool that delivers precise and accurate cuts, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and enthusiasts. With its powerful 15-amp motor, this miter saw tackles a wide range of materials with ease, from hardwood to softwood and even aluminum. This miter saw is a compact and lightweight design. Weighing only 24.2 pounds, it's easy to transport and maneuver, making it ideal for job sites or workshops with limited space. The 10-inch blade provides clean and smooth cuts, and the bevel range of 0 to 45 degrees allows for a variety of angled cuts. It also comes with a large table for better support and stability when working with longer pieces of material. The horizontal handle with a vibration-reducing elastomer grip ensures comfort during extended use. Here are some pros. Compact and lightweight design for easy transportation and maneuverability. Powerful 15-amp motor handles a wide range of materials. Precise and accurate cuts for professional results. The large table provides excellent support for longer pieces. Vibration-reducing handle for enhanced comfort during use. Cons. Limited bevel range compared to some other models. Number 2. DeWalt Cordless Miter Saw. This DeWalt cordless miter saw is a game changer for those who value portability and convenience. Powered by a reliable battery system, this cordless miter saw allows you to work without the constraints of cords and power outlets. Whether you're working on a remote job site or moving around your workshop, this tool provides the freedom you need. It features a cross-cut capacity of up to 8 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The integrated XPS cross-cut positioning system ensures accurate alignment and improved visibility, resulting in professional-grade cuts. With its lightweight design and carrying handle, this miter saw is highly portable and easy to transport. Here are some pros. Cordless design offers unmatched portability and freedom of movement. Integrated XPS cross-cut positioning system for precise alignment. Lightweight and easy to transport. Adjustable stainless steel detent plate with positive stops for quick angle adjustments. Dust collection system keeps your workspace clean. Cons. Smaller blade sizes may limit the cutting capacity compared to larger miter saws. Number 3. SKIL Dual Bevel Sliding Miter Saw. The SKIL Dual Bevel Sliding Miter Saw is a feature-packed tool that combines versatility and accuracy. With its powerful 15-amp motor and 12-inch blade, this miter saw is capable of handling a wide range of cutting tasks, from framing to fine woodworking. The dual bevel design allows you to make bevel cuts in both directions without the need to flip the workpiece, saving you time and effort. The sliding function provides increased cross-cutting capacity, making it suitable for working with larger stock. The SKIL Dual Bevel Sliding Miter Saw ensures precise and consistent cuts every time. The integrated LED work light illuminates your work area, enhancing visibility and accuracy. Here are some pros. Powerful motor and large blade size for versatile cutting applications. The dual bevel design allows bevel cuts in both directions. The sliding function provides increased cross-cutting capacity. Laser guide and LED work light for precise and accurate cuts. Dust collection system keeps your workspace clean. Cons. The sliding mechanism may require additional space compared to non-sliding miter saws. Number 4. DeWalt DWS 780 12-inch Sliding Compound Miter Saw. This DeWalt miter saw is designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Its innovative design allows for accurate crosscuts, bevel cuts, and miter cuts, making it ideal for projects such as framing, trim work, and cabinetry. It's a rugged construction that can withstand heavy use in demanding work environments. Its robust design includes a durable stainless steel miter detent plate and dual horizontal steel rails that provide exceptional support and stability, ensuring consistent and accurate cuts for years to come. The saw is equipped with an electric brake that stops the blade quickly, minimizing the risk of accidents. Here are some pros. Powerful 15-amp motor for effortless cutting through tough materials. The sliding feature allows for cutting wider boards, accommodating materials up to 16 inches in width. XPS cross-cut positioning system provides enhanced visibility and accurate cuts. Durable construction with stainless steel components for long-lasting performance. Cons. The size and weight of the saw may not be suitable for those with limited workspace or mobility. Number 5. Delta Dual Bevel Sliding Cruiser Miter Saw. The Dual Bevel Sliding Cruiser Miter Saw is a professional-grade tool that delivers exceptional performance and precision. With its dual bevel capability and sliding function, this miter saw provides versatility and efficiency, making it an excellent choice for demanding projects. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor and a 12-inch blade, this miter saw tackles a wide range of cutting tasks with ease. The dual bevel feature allows for bevel cuts in both directions, saving you time and effort. The sliding function increases the cross-cutting capacity, making it suitable for working with larger stock. Here are some pros. Dual bevel capability for bevel cuts in both directions. The sliding function increases cross-cutting capacity. Powerful motor and large blade size for versatile cutting tasks. Robust and durable construction for long-lasting performance. Adjustable miter detent plate with positive stops for accurate angle adjustments. Integrated dust collection system. Cons. The larger size and weight of the miter saw may limit portability for some users. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Comment below for any issues. I'm here to assist. Enjoy life with our cool products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.